What do you think? Should I do another live stream? I think you probably should. Yeah, I might post another one. Also, I know what you're thinking. Can you do one without, being angry? Yeah, I was wondering you should probably do one without even yelling. Because you know how I am when you turn into a volcano and explode and then pretend to be a TNT dynamite, or or um or you becoming a volcano and stuff. You know, I'm like Elijah, please don't erupt. So yeah. Oh yeah. I know how you are when you see me as a volcano and stuff. You don't want me to explode. Yes, that's what I'm saying, because when you get angry, I know you're gonna end up losing your temper, so. Yeah, don't worry. I am overcoming my anger, and it is obviously working out so well. Hi, Miles. Hi, Elijah. Oh, hey there, Miles. I have something very important to say. Sure, what is it? And I hope you're not going to say anything bad, or else I'm going to. You know what's going to happen next. Yes, yes, I know. Also, one thing. What? Find Us Freddy's is cringe. You never should have said that! Oh no. Now look what you did! You just said something that would offend him, and now he's probably going to explode. Oh, I know. I'm sorry. But we're gonna have to run. Yeah, let's run. We should run before Elijah explodes on us. Please don't erupt, please! Hey, that's not funny. What's not funny? You just made my friend explode. Oh, I'm sorry. I just said that for, to get his attention. Okay, I understand. Just don't do that again. Okay. Also, I also missed his head exploding. You do? Yeah. Me, to be honest, I miss it, technically, but not really because I don't like it when he's exploding. Okay. Now, let's watch some TV. Alright. And we should do that while Elijah's coming down.